Hi there, this is Todd Reese. I'm president of Realize Inc. In recent months, we've seen quite an increase in the demand or customer requests for larger parts and larger volume of smaller parts. The NEO-800 from Stratasys. The quality of the machine, it's unlike anything I've ever seen in my long career in 3D printing so far. Great master patterns, great functional parts, sidewall quality, just absolutely fantastic, and ultimately get to our clients faster. One of the first projects that we were able to throw at this machine was one of the largest parts that we've ever done as a company. The speed of the machine really helped us come through for our customer. So we invite you to give us a call if you've got any projects in the works, high volume, large parts. Those are the type of projects that are going to be perfect for that machine.